Very delightful. It was awesome experience to have these 2 days servant leadership program conducted by Dr. Madana Kumar. It was very helpful. Yeah, it gave me a different insight altogether.
Yes.
So it was very awesome altogether. See, I have altogether 23 years experience. Down the line, I all the philosophies or all the example cited, I have already been implementing in my career altogether. So I will not say entirely new, but few aspects I learned new. That's for sure. But already I'm implementing the servant leadership program in my entire career and towards the people whom I work with. Definitely, I insist everyone who is working in UST, maybe it is a junior level or middle level in the management, has to undergo these program for sure, because it will totally give you a different dimension and perspective which you are experiencing in your day-to-day life.
Yeah.
Yes, definitely. And I would suggest that this is not only restricting only for the work environment, also in our day-to-day life, especially how to handle things in our household, home, with the family, beyond work. So very much helpful.
Yes,
Sometimes people used to think that they are right, what they are making decisions is right. But after attending this servant leadership, you will be knowing the other dimension of the decision making. I will be implementing servant leadership aspects in my team and with the people whom I work with, for sure.